हेलो बच्चों, आज हम इस वीडियो में सीखने वाले हैं हाउ टू कैलकुलेट परसेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इन द गिवन मॉलिक्यूल। परसेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन को हम परसेंटेज मास ऑफ एन एलिमेंट भी कह सकते हैं और ये टॉपिक मोल कंसेप्ट स्टोइचियोमेट्रिक कैलकुलेशंस में आता है। क्लास 9, क्लास 10 और क्लास 11 के बच्चे इस वीडियो के लिए सूटेबल है। तो इस वीडियो में सबसे पहले हम फॉर्मूला सीखेंगे परसेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ एन एलिमेंट की। इसके बाद में हम सीखेंगे कुछ 3-4 एग्जाम्पल्स, सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल्स इन द वीडियो, और उसके बाद में आपके लिए एक वर्कशीट अटैच्ड है डिस्क्रिप्शन में। प्लीज़ आप उसे डाउनलोड कर लें और बाकी के क्वेश्चंस वहाँ से प्रैक्टिस कर लें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं विद द फॉर्मूला ऑफ परसेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ एन एलिमेंट। परसेंटेज कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू mass of the element divided by total mass of the compound into 100. Say you're talking about H2O for an example, and you're trying to calculate percentage composition of oxygen in H2O, you can apply this formula like this. Percentage composition of oxygen in H2O is equal to mass of oxygen divided by the molar mass of H2O. अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो गए कि मोलार मास कहाँ से आ गया, total mass of the compound can also be called as molar mass. Molar mass of H2O into 100. So mass of H2O over here is 16 grams per 1 mole divided by molar mass of H2O is equal to 18 grams, because you have 2 hydrogens plus 16 grams of oxygen altogether is equal to 18 grams into 100. And when you simplify this, your answer will be around 88.8%. So you say that 88.8% is the percentage composition of oxygen in the given molecule H2O. To be able to understand it better, let's practice a few more examples. Let's take the next molecule as magnesium oxide, MgO. Now you try to calculate the percentage composition of magnesium in magnesium oxide by applying the very same formula. Since you're calculating percentage composition of magnesium, so you should take percentage composition of magnesium as equal to mass of magnesium divided by mass of compound, mass of this total magnesium oxide compound into 100. Mass of magnesium is equal to 24 and mass of this magnesium oxide will be 24 grams of magnesium plus 16 grams of oxygen altogether is equal to 40 grams. So in the denominator you got to take 40. 24 divided by 40 into 100. And when you simplify this, your answer will be 60.3. So 60.3% of magnesium is present in magnesium oxide. Similarly, try and calculate for oxygen. Percentage composition of oxygen is equal to mass of oxygen, which is 16 grams in this molecule, divided by total mass of the compound, which is 40 grams into 100. So 16 by 40 into 100 on simplification gives you 39.7 grams. In this way, using this formula, you can calculate percentage composition of any given element. In case you still have some confusions, let's take one more example. C3H8. C3H8 is a molecule and you first need to try to calculate percentage composition of carbon in C3H8. According to the formula, in the numerator, you got to take mass of carbon, since you're calculating percentage mass of carbon, divided by mass of entire molecule. This molecule is called as propane. So mass of propane into 100. And mass of propane is nothing but, it has 3 carbons, which is 3 into 12, plus 8 oxygen atoms, which is 36 carbon atoms. 36 grams is the mass of carbon atoms, and 8 grams of oxygens, which is altogether is equal to 44 grams per 1 mole. So mass of propane is going to be 44 grams. And since you're calculating percentage composition of carbon, take 36 in the numerator. 36 divided by 44 into 100 is equal to 81.8%. So in this molecule C3H8, you're having 81.8% of carbon. And when you calculate percentage composition of hydrogen, only one change that you would need to do is take mass of hydrogen in the numerator. I hope you have understood this. But in case you have any doubts or questions, please make sure you ask me through the comments, and do not forget to download the worksheet from the description. I'll see you in one other video. Until then, bye-bye.